What's going on, YouTubers? Welcome home to LocustSouth Kennels. We're giving you a quick update on what we got going on. We got one crew drinking water. We got the beautiful Indra here. She is expecting. She got her whelping area all nice and decked out how she likes it. But, you know, today could be the day. I'm going to definitely keep you guys updated on what we got going on. Octavia's outside at the moment, but see if we get a better look. Here we go. We get a nice better shot of her right there. That belly. Beautiful chest. But yeah, she's definitely doing good. The big guy right here, he ain't doing nothing. But yeah, just giving you guys a quick update what's going on. We got Indra, 2 years old, aka Hazel, and she's expecting. Her stud was Mr. Ghost. So we'll be having some really nice pups. I'll keep you guys updated.